tuning in again. So have a quick walk through today's delivery here at the factory. So I've got Adrian and Sharon who have come up to take delivery of their third KEDRON. So it's great to see them up again. So we'll have a quick walk through and have a look at this one here. So it's an XC'5, so it's got 450 watt solar panels on the roof and a 300 amp lithium power pack. I'll do a quick walkthrough inside so they can get on the road here. They're waiting to go for their test tow. So yeah, this one here's got a yacht style of bed across the front of the van. So it's got the TV DVD at the end of the bed, padded leather on the front there on the side of the bed, plenty of window space here. It's got the cafe dinette here on the opposite side. I'll just shut that door and we'll jump in. So this one here is a bifold table, so if you're having dinner or lunch or breakfast, you pop that out for your maximum amount of bench space there for dining. And then if you want the extra space here to kick your legs up, pop your leg extensions out there and sit back and watch a movie or read a magazine or the newspaper or the like. You can simply have that out and have the maximum amount of space also. So yeah, swiveling around, it's again, it's got the 300 amp lithium power pack. It's got the two-door compressor fridge freezer there. I'll just swivel around this side here. So you can see the kitchen on this one here, it kind of wraps in and wraps around, so plenty of drawer space here. All our ply bench tops, all the ply drawers. This one here's got our black glass KEDRON sink here. It's got a dual outlet, so you can draw from your filtered drinking water with the left hand side and draw from your shower tank water on the other. So you can separate your clean shower water there for doing your washing up. So with that, yeah, you can basically draw from clean spring water or the like and fill your shower tank separately, and then you can use that clean spring water there for your washing up also, so you don't affect your filtered drinking water. Got the KEDRON electronics in here, so all of that, it's got a nice state of charge indicator here for your lithium power pack, your grey water tank indicator here for holding your tank water in national parks and sensitive eco areas. Switch that inverter switch up there, you get 240 converted off your 300 amp lithium to 240 power points either side of your bed and your dinette. So you can have, say, a sleep apnea machine, or you might even want to just charge a laptop on there for staying in contact with family and friends while you're traveling around, and you can charge that there off that inverter. This one here's got a diesel heater. Walking into the rear of the van, it's got a really nice large open ensuite. So with that yacht style of bed against the front, it allows a shorter van and to have a larger ensuite. So you can see the amount of storage underneath. It's got the flick mixer tap. It's got the wall mounted washing machine here, your towel rolls all on the side of the slider door. So yeah, just swiveling around, you can see pantry there just to the right hand side of the two-door compressor fridge freezer, and how really nice and open, and the amount of storage with the drawers. Got 4 big pull-out drawers underneath the bed, plenty of pull-out drawers underneath the kitchen. Swiveling around here, we make all our own shower doors in-house here at the factory. So you open up that frosted glass door, you can see we make our own aluminium propeller plate bases. They're all folded, pressed, welded and powder coated. It's nice heavy duty shower bases. Flip mixer tap, and the shower gel and shampoo dispenser there. So we'll pop outside and have a quick look, and then I'll let these folk get on the road. So we'll just pop out here. So going to the front of the van here, we've got the electric power jack. So again, the LED light underneath for your hitching up and unhitching at night time. Retract and extend here, so a press button and a back up there with a handle. So if down the track you don't have power for any reason, you can use a handle to manually wind that. Our KEDRON CAD designed aluminium folded, pressed, welded front boxes, so they incorporate 2 9-kilo gas bottles. We have a jerry either side with a stainless strap here, so they're all lockable, so no one can steal your jerry's easy. You've got a rhino coated laser cut front. More storage up on top of the box here. You can see the amount of reinforcement that's built into the box for the bike rack carrier up top. So they fold down. You've got your nice heavy duty bike racks up top also. Lockable diesel filler. A-frame tap's been moved up so it's a lot more accessible up there. And you've got the diesel storage tank there for the diesel heater with the level indicator. More storage on the outside there, so plenty of storage. It's got the our KEDRON alloys, so these here are been rated at 1300 kilo now, so they're all nice and heavy duty with the Goodyear Wrangler Kevlar tyres on. Underneath the van you can see our KRS suspension, so all of the coiled KRS recovery stub suspension. Our Australian made water tanks, all the recesses, all for the rock protection, so they're all custom made for us. Twin keyless LED drop tables there. It's got the TV provisions in here, so you've got a stereo outlet, all your electrics outlets from your satellite provision outlet, 12 volt, 240 and the like. So you can pop your TV on the outside there, have that playing with your twin drop tables there. Have that large window open and serve food out from, say, inside your kitchen area. Wrap around to your twin spares. So all our KEDRONs are all a hot dip galvanised chassis. All a full interlocked aluminium frame. We've got all our new Australian made air cell insulation on the outside, on the wall frame, as well as the thermo block up on the roof. So you can see our steel encased 300 amp lithium power pack there, 1800 watt inverter for the folk. Really nice electronics block here, so all your chargers, DC to DC, 240 volt charger, your provision there for your generator and the like. So we'll wrap around here, so it's all hitched up to a brand new Land Cruiser LC 200 series. So yeah, like we say, this is Adrian and Sharon's third new KEDRON they've bought off us, which is fantastic to see them back through, and great to see the new van they've created. It's it's a beautiful setup there, all hitched up with the new Cruiser there for heading off on their travels around Australia. So thanks again for tuning in. Hope you enjoyed the walkthrough, and we'll catch up on the next one. Cheers for now.